ka-links, panibagong araw, panibagong mga bagay na naman ang ating matututunan. Ako po si Elizabeth at ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa civic engagement. So now, ano nga ba ang civic engagement? So civic engagement is an individual and collective actions designed to identify and address issues of public concerns. Civic engagement can take in many forms, from individual volunteerism to organizational involvement and electoral participation. So, gaano nga ba ka-importante ang civic engagement? So, ito ay importante dahil sa tatlong bagay. Una, sinisigurado niyang lahat ng boses ng mga mamamayan ay naririnig. Also, it fosters a sense of community and belonging. And lastly, it allows individuals to have a direct impact on their communities. By actively participating in political process and working to address social issues, individuals can help to create a more just and peaceful and equitable society. So, before we end this discussion, I would like to leave some trivia about civic engagement. So, do you know that civic engagement means working to make a difference in the civic life of our community and developing the combination of knowledge, skills, values, and motivation to make the difference? It means promoting the quality of life in a community throughout both political and non-political processes. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. Kung interesado pa kayo tungkol sa civic engagement, maaari niyong bisitahin ang aming website para sa iba pang mga videos. Bye!